Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang Invention Hui, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales. The application knowledge tagged for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions, we are put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we teach leg actions. Weight, put that leg step. And weight still hold that feet. And that feet just big toe touch floor. Weight not move. Still hold that leg. Then move back. The 2 foot formed T shape. And then move out again. Then shift weight to that leg. And then that leg step up. Also is big toe touch floor. Then back. And then step out again. Then move back. That's for toe, feet actions. Now we do 2 times about the feet actions. Very good. Now we teach hand actions. Hand action have 2 different actions. First action is finger straight. That's arm shoulder high, straight with body 90 degree. That's leg straight, shoulder high, straight, and body one flat. And then move. That's feet, that's arm is shoulder high and straight, 90 degree with body, and that's leg with body one flat. And then down, straight finger. And then make circle, back, middle finger put hands same, and then raise, down, circle, yes. So now we do 2 times about the first arm actions. Very good. Now we connect first kind of hand action and with leg action 2 times. Very good. Now we will teach second kind hand action. Second kind hand action and leg no change. Similarly before first kind hand action. Just leg and turn palm up. And that's arm shoulder high and with body one flat. That's and with bodies 90 degree. And move that's leg with body 90 degree. That's leg shoulder high with body one flat. And then put down. Then move. Yes, simple, right? Okay, now we do 2 times about the second kind hand actions. Very good. Now we connect the second kind hand action and leg action as 2 times. Very good. Now we need to connect leg action and 2 kind hand action. And also we need to count. Use the 2 kind different language, English and Thai. Somebody say, why should we use the 2 kind language to count? Good question. Because we need to protect our trick and alarm, far away, bronchitis, pandemic, and so on many diseases. So we need 2 kind different language to count. Somebody else say, excuse me, I cannot speak Thai. Very good, doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can use German language and English. Only 2 kind different language count is okay. Of course, we also need eyes look straight with smiling face and head think how can make the action correct. Okay, now we do 2 times action like hand connect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Very good. Do that action. Couple things we must know. Number 1, that action, step out. It's only toe, big toe touch floor. And weight not move. So back should stand with the T-shape to foot form T-shape for good standing. Number 2, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number 3, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number 4, this arm is 90 degrees and that arm is with body one flat. And the 2 arm raised shoulder high, cannot make high low. Shoulder high. Yes. And down deeply. Cannot make that deeply. And circle. When you do that, need turn. Yes, same. Okay. We also need do that action and count 2 kind of different language, English and Hanyu. Eyes look straight, smiling face and head. Think how can make the action correct. Now we do 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Learn correct language. You must correct language. You can protect your health easily. At home, every day you can do Golden International Daily Actions. 1 by 1, 40 different actions. Of course, you got the health far away, bronchitis, pandemic, and many diseases. You can really enjoy yourself, happy life.